What is the additive inverse of a rational number? Suppose you have a rational number 2 over 3. Then if it is asked to you that what is the additive inverse of this rational number, then what does that mean? To understand this, let's take an integer. Let's say we have an integer 2. Okay. So what should I add to this number, to this 2, such that that comes equal to 0? What should I add to this 2? So if you think, then if we add minus 2, then this actually comes 0, because this is 2. Outside the bracket you have plus sign and inside the bracket you have minus sign. So whenever plus and within the bracket minus sign fight with each other, it comes as negative. So this is 2 minus 2 and this comes as 0. Similarly, if your integer is minus 2, let's say your integer is minus 2, what should I add to this integer, to this number? What should I add such that that comes 0? So clearly this is minus 2. If we add 2 here, then this comes as 0. So in this case, 2 is additive inverse of minus 2. 2 is additive inverse of minus 2 and in this case minus 2 is additive inverse of 2. Minus 2 is additive inverse of 2. So same thing will be applied here. This is 2 over 3. What should I add to this number such that that becomes 0? Clearly this is 2 over 3. Therefore, if we add minus 2 over 3, then this becomes 0. Plus sign outside the bracket, inside the bracket you have minus sign. This becomes 2 over 3 minus 2 over 3. Therefore, this comes as 0. Therefore, if your rational number is 2 over 3, then the rational number minus 2 over 3 is actually additive inverse of 2 over 3. What if your number was minus 7 over 8? So what should we add to this number so that it becomes 0? Clearly this is minus 7 over 8. If we add, same thing what we have done here, if we add 7 over 8, then this actually comes as 0. So if your rational number is a over b, then the additive inverse will be minus a over b. And if your rational number is minus a over b, then your additive inverse will be a over b. This is the concept of additive inverse of a rational number.